Hi, my name is Chris from Harmony Acura, and we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2016 Acura RDX Elite. Under the hood, we have a 3.5-liter V6, which produces 279 horsepower. This 2016 Acura RDX has been well serviced, is like new, as it was an Acura Canada vehicle, and still comes with its factory warranty. Moving on inside, we've got a beautiful black and gray interior with leather, power adjustable front seats, steering wheel mounted phone, audio, information, cruise, Acura watch safety and voice controls, paddle shifters, push button start, a navigation system, backup camera, Acura premium audio system, automatic dual zone climate control, heated or cooled seats, and a sunroof. Moving on back, we've got seating for 3, and these seats fold down for extra storage space, and for the passenger's comfort, there are rear air vents. Very back, we've got a spacious trunk with a cargo tray. Here on the floor, you see floor mats and a towing hitch. This RDX comes with safety features such as a tire pressure monitoring system, driver's side airbags, dual airbags, side curtain airbags, anti-lock brakes, and vehicle stability assist. Thank you for checking out this video of this pre-owned 2016 Acura RDX Elite. Here at Harmony Acura, we stand behind the vehicles we sell, and we guarantee that you will be satisfied, which is why we offer a 30-day or 2,500-kilometer no-hassle exchange policy for your peace of mind. We have a family-friendly, low-pressure environment, and we don't charge documentation fees or any other hidden charges. Harmony Acura is located at 2552 Enterprise Way in Kelowna, BC. If you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to leave a comment below, or come on in and see for yourself why we are the dealership with the #1 customer satisfaction in the Okanagan Valley. Thanks for watching.